I came to Medwell with extreme knee problems, and I'm a bartender, so I'm on my feet for a minimum of 10 hours a day. When I came here, I had throbbing, constant pain in my knees. Came here, had regenerative done, and basically overnight the pain was gone. After a shift, my knees would be swollen, throbbing, felt like they were going to explode. After the first treatment, done, completely done. I felt immediate relief. Going up and down stairs at work or carrying things used to be a struggle for me because a lot of pressure on my knees, and I don't have that anymore. I can be on my feet when I'm done, nothing, like brand new knees, and it was the simplest, quickest, easiest treatment, and it was a lot better than having a knee replacement done. So I am so grateful for the results, and I will praise everybody here with the help that they've given me. I'm so excited. So thank you.